Hi, I'm Brian Ashworth from SmartAid Australia, and this is one of our SmartAid UltraFilters. If you want to keep the filter working as long as possible before it needs replacement, you need to clean it every day. I will now describe the cleaning procedure. Before you start the cleaning procedure, the filter will be running with valve 4 and valve 2 on. The first step is to shut all the valves. The next step is to open valve 1 backwash and open 5 drain. You now wait for 1 minute, which you can time on your mobile phone. At the end of a minute, switch off valve 5 and switch off valve 1, and then switch on the raw water supply and switch on valve 2, the clean water, and the filter will start filtering again. Other things to do on the daily clean is check the pre-filter to see if it's dirty, and open the head tank drain valve for about a minute. The daily instructions for this filter are also printed on the front of the valve manifold block, and with each filter there should be a pictorial guide that shows all the instructions both for the daily clean and the chemical clean. After each cleaning, make sure you fill in this safe water cleaning schedule to show that it's been done. Once a week, a chemical cleaning should be carried out after you have done the daily clean. The first stage is before you restart the filter, you open the drain valve and let all the water drain out of the filter. You can also take the cap off valve 3 chemicals and open that valve. You then wait until all the water has drained out. Once all the water is drained out, shut valve 5, the drain. Add the chemical into valve 3 and then start to fill the filter, pushing all the chemical it takes about 15 litres of water to fill the filter. Once the filter is full, you can close the chemical valve and leave the filter for the soaking period. After the soaking time, the next stage is to open the drain valve and drain all the chemical away. When the filter has drained, open the backwash valve for a minute. This will rinse out all the chemicals. Make sure that there are no undesirable taste or smells. When the backwash has been opened for 1 minute, you can turn off the drain valve and the backwash valve, open the raw water valve, open the clean water filter, and the filter will again start filtering water.